Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by learning how spam OTP messages typically look and act. Never share a one-time code with anyone, including callers or messages. Check the sender number and domain before trusting a one-time code. Look for misspellings, unexpected links, and urgent demands for action. Understand that legitimate services rarely request codes through social chat or unsolicited calls. Treat any unexpected OTP as suspicious until verified with the official app or website using a direct login method. If you receive a spam OTP, act quickly to reduce risk and exposure. Block the sender number and report the message to your carrier immediately. Enable built-in SMS filtering or spam protection in your phone settings right away. Use the official service app rather than replying to messages or clicking links. Change passwords for affected accounts and revoke suspicious sessions within 24 hours. Check account recovery details to ensure only you have access rights. Shift from SMS to stronger authentication tools to prevent future OTP spam attacks. Use authenticator apps for 2FA instead of SMS for stronger protection. Register a hardware security key or app-based one-time codes when available. Keep device software updated and enable automatic security patches where possible. Limit recovery phone numbers and remove unused devices from account settings immediately. Review account activity weekly and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.